Hello everyone! Today we are making healthy, delicious and somewhat fast pumpkin dessert. Cake or pie, you can call it whatever you like. I made this recipe using regular pumpkin before and now I'm using butternut squash. The result is pretty much the same. First we are gonna peel our pumpkin and cut it in relatively small chunks. Using knife, we are gonna finely chop walnuts. You can grind them, but you won't have crunchiness while eating the cake. Put the pumpkin inside of a pot, cover everything with water and cook for around 40 to 45 minutes. When done, simply remove from the pot and set aside for later. We start preparing our batter for baking by mixing 3 whole eggs with sugar. Then we add oil. I use sunflower, but you can use any vegetable oil you have. Add flour and combine everything nicely. Then add our boiled pumpkin and cover with chopped hazelnuts. At the end, add cinnamon. I tried to mix it right away, but it started making too much of a mess, so I decided to smash it before mixing it up. We want uniform and thick liquid without lumps. When done, simply put the baking paper in our baking pot, transfer the batter inside and spread it evenly. It's ready for baking inside preheated oven for around 30 to 45 minutes. When done, it should look like this. I use knife to cut along edges so it slides out more easily. I'm gonna transfer it to a tray and remove the baking paper carefully and hopefully in one piece. Cover the cake with vanilla sugar and powdered sugar after. Cake itself is not too sweet, so now it's time to adjust the sweetness. I've never used some toppings like cream, caramel or something similar because I like it simple, but you can be first one to try and write in the comment how it was.